Um, PassGen was originally designed from user stories that we kind of based off of ourselves about the need to quickly generate secure passwords for use on numerous different types of accounts. Um, it's paramount to have complex passwords to be safe on the internet these days.
So part of the ways that we wanted to make it complex and difficult to um, break the passwords was use some sort of encryption method. We looked and we found AES encryption, which uses um, a 64-bit cipher, and it also generates a hash for a key and a hash for an insertion vector on the password. So every password contains 3 different keys to unlock the password. Without all 3 keys, the password can't be broken.
Another part of the functionalities that we added in was to allow the users to, one, select account tagging, and two, select different parameters for their passwords. If you want to talk about that a little bit, Charisma.
PassGen has settings to include or exclude a variety of character sets to strengthen your password and make it more secure. It will also save your setting configuration when the program's closed to make it faster to generate a password.
As you can see here, closing PassGen. I'm pulling it back up, and the same settings are there.
And with the user interface in the design, we wanted to go with something that was not too stark in contrast, but just something that was easy to look at and easy to navigate. So we just went with a kind of simplistic design that will get the job done. And we've also provided a quick user startup guide just to kind of guide you through the process. I think even a one-time glance through it, you would be a master at being able to utilize the application to its fullest.
And then
And
on one final note, the application had initially been planned to use a full SSMS managed database. However, that architecture was changed partway through the development process to instead use an SQLite version of a database. So that way the user didn't have to do any configuring or managing of a database on their own. Instead, the application automatically generates that database for the user as they start generating passwords.
and all your passwords are conveniently stored in this form. Pulls from the database, which they can be copied, pasted anywhere, or exported into a text file or CSV file. You can pull up here and it'll give you a message box of all of the details of your password as well, including the strength, what the account type is, and your encryption methods. And that's PassGen.